Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off speak while typing on Android. If you are using an Android phone and now you want to turn off speak while typing, so let's see how can you do this. So to do that, you just have to open your keyboard and here access your keyboard, and here you can see his Gboard, which is default keyboard of your Android phone, and here you will get the microphone option. Whenever you accidentally hit start listening and then typing, it's very annoying. Now we're going to disable that, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to tap on the setting option here, just tap on it, and here just look for voice typing, just tap on it, and here you must have to disable that setting, just tap on it and it will be disabled. So after that, you just have to access your Gboard or keyboard anywhere, and here you will get his no any microphone icon. So in this way, you can easily turn or speak while typing on an Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.